Hello everyone again, friends. In this video, I will show you how you can manually control stock tracking. First of all, this video may be a little short. I want to start right away. When you come to the products menu, you have available products here. As you can see, we currently have 500 and 1,000 products in stock. You can see them directly on the products, or you can edit the stock amount when you want to edit it by clicking on the products. As you can see here, our stock amount appears to be 500 pieces. Extra stock possession code, barcode numbers, etc. I have already told them. To batch edit stock counts, when you click on the inventory tab to batch check, all your products will be listed and your products will come here as available. For example, you sold 1,000 of these products by hand. I give an example in your hand. 20 left or 200 left. When you save, you can now order your men's silver ring with a maximum of 200 available. That's it for this video. See you in our next video.